In this video, I'm going to show you how to use XPath in Chrome in a quick and easy way. If you've ever wanted to find a specific element on a web page, inspect page content faster, or test an XPath expression inside Chrome Developer Tools, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is especially useful for web scraping, automation, testing, and learning how websites are structured. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web page in Google Chrome. It can be any site you want to inspect, because we're only using it to practice finding elements with XPath. Once the page is loaded, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and I on Windows. On Mac, you can use Command, Option, and I. This opens Chrome Developer Tools, which is where you'll be able to view the page's HTML structure. Now that Developer Tools is open, make sure you're on the Elements tab. This is important because XPath works with the HTML elements on the page. The Elements tab shows you the full structure of the web page, including headings, buttons, links, and other content. From here, press Ctrl and F to open the search box inside Developer Tools. This search box allows you to search for specific text, selectors, and XPath expressions within the page structure. Now type your XPath into the search field. For example, if you want to locate a button, heading, or any other element on the page, you can paste the XPath directly here, and Chrome will highlight matching elements for you. If the XPath is valid, Chrome will jump to the element in the HTML tree and highlight it so you can see exactly where it is on the page. If nothing appears, that usually means the XPath needs to be adjusted, or the element you're looking for does not match the path you entered. A simple way to think about XPath is that it helps you target specific parts of a web page by their structure or text. It's very useful when you're testing selectors for automation tools, browser extensions, or scraping scripts. Once you find the correct element, you can expand the HTML around it and study the surrounding tags to better understand how the page is built. That makes it much easier to write stronger XPath expressions later on. So to recap, open any web page, inspect the page, go to the Elements tab, press Ctrl and F, and then type your XPath. That's the fastest way to use XPath in Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.